Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is regarding an MCC notice which got published just now and is directed to the not to the candidates but to the colleges and institutes, whether it's DNB institutes or hospitals, government colleges or deemed universities. So the point here is I'll show you the notification and you can download it from MCC. In case you're not able to download, you can join our Telegram group. We will share uh, the PDF over there, and we will also send it through the NEET Mentor application. So you can, if you have downloaded the application, you can receive it in the inbox. Okay. So 20th of August is the last date by which all the institutes need to submit the seats. And which seats? Those seats which are for which those seats for which letter of permission, means LOP, letter of permission is given by NMC. There are seats where letter of intent is given and it's in the process of inspection, and which are the seats to be increased. Okay, so those seats which are under letter of intent need not to be uploaded on the Intra MCC portal, and Intra MCC portal is the portal where you can see the seat matrix. Okay, and since they have given the date by 20th of August, so we can hope that in 1 or 2 days, like by 21st, they will publish the seat matrix. So this year government, NMC, MCC are committed to do the counseling process in very fast paced manner and complete the process soon within the time frame. So the seat matrix may be available much earlier compared to last time. Last time, before just 1 or 2 days, we have got the seat matrix, but say here by 20th of August they are saying to upload the all the LOP seats. So maybe in the first round the complete seats may not be available and some seats might get added in round 2. So you have to plan your strategy, plan of getting the seat and joining it accordingly based on the seat matrix. So once the seat matrix is published, we will update you soon. Okay, so this is the notice. Okay, you can see here the seats for which only letter of intent has been received so far should not be contributed on Intra MCC portal, and it is for the information to all participating colleges that since the PG counseling 2020 is tentatively starting from 1st of September, the seats should be contributed by 6th PM of 20th of August for the preparation of seat matrix. So once the seat is uploaded, it doesn't take much time because it's uploaded in the software, and soon they can release it for public to the so that the institute can verify it from their end that if they have uploaded the correct set of institution in the seat. Okay, and then it will be available on the MCC portal. So first it will get uploaded on Intra MCC, and you can also check on Intra MCC, but it won't be final. Okay, so this is an important update, and it can be related to NB bill also, because 20th of August they have given time, so it's just like 4 days. Okay, and in 4 days no progress can expected, no much progress which can be decisive can be expected from NMC bill perspective. Okay, so it can be assumed that NMC bill is less likely to get implemented from this session, but there is there are chances if government has some plan, or like Supreme Court, High Court gives a decision about it. Okay, so I'll keep you updated about all such things, but it's an important update that the seat matrix get released soon. 20th is the date, so maybe in a couple of days more time they may take to release the seat matrix. So you have to plan, and if you're planning to take the counseling guidance, you have to make the decision as soon as possible, so that we can also have time and you can also sort out your queries, possibilities and all sort of things. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.